Hello friends, in this video, in the series of shortcuts that we are doing for integration, this is my video 2 for the integration, and specifically we are working on with the algebraic fractions. Many of the students, they waste their time by doing this during the competitive exams or the IIT. What they do is they will just, whenever we have algebraic fractions of this sort, numerator is constant and a quadratic expression that we have. So what they do is they will apply the completing square technique and then work it out by applying the formula integral 1 by a square minus x square or integral 1 by x square minus a square correspondingly, and they will substitute. So a lot of time will go waste in that. So what I'm going to show you in this video is you will do that question within seconds. You need to just remember two things. There are two types of questions based upon this one. Either your a is positive, or it could be discriminant could be negative or greater than 0. And discriminant, you all know that very well, it is b square minus 4ac. So in case if it is greater than 0, like for instance if it is greater than 0, you just have to remember this trick: 1 by root of d log mod x minus a by x minus b plus c. That's it. That will give you your answer to avoid that completing square technique and all. Now another thing, when it is d discriminant, when we find out for a given set of quadratic, algebraic fraction and integration that we are doing. So first we'll work it out and check whether my discriminant is 0, less than 0, negative. So in that case, we will have to write 2 by root of negative tan inverse derivative of the given function and root of minus b plus c. That's it. Isn't it that simple? So let's just take examples and work it out, whether we can do it or not. So what I'm going to do, first thing what you have to do is, we'll check the discriminant, whether it is less than or greater than 0. So discriminant, as we know, it is b square minus 4ac. So a, b, c we have substituted over here. 13 square minus 4 times a, c is negative. So it is 169. We all know 12 times 10, 120. Together it will give me 289. Okay, keep that number intact. As I told, this is greater than 0. So we'll apply the first one that I have given you. Remember that, I'm writing it down. You can note it down also. 1 by root of t log mod x minus a by x minus b plus c. Now, how should I take x minus a and x minus b? For that, as I told, two steps. First, check the discriminant and then work it out with the factors of this one. Just like the normal splitting the middle term method, what we do. Work it out with the factors of 3 and 10, 30, that is 15, 2 or 10 3s are. So I'll avoid that 10 3 because I need plus over here. So I'll take 15x minus 2x minus 10. Remember, we are working out these factors just to place x minus b in the log. 3 times x is taken out, minus 2, x plus 5. So I got the factors now, x plus 5 and 3x minus 2. Upon getting the factors, now comes the main thing. Okay, what should I write numerator and which factor I should write in the denominator? For that also, I'll make it very easy. Just take x as 0, substitute here. The lesser the value you will get, that factor should go in the numerator. Simple. So if I substitute 0 here, it is minus 2, it is plus. So it means this is the smaller one. So my answer now is 3x minus 2 will go up, x plus 5 will go denominator plus c. Then what about root d? You already got d as root 289. What is the square root of 289? 17. Bingo. So this is what you will have to do, students, for your comparative exams whenever you solve questions of algebraic fractions and they ask you to do integration. Simple trick. Now let's just take one more example. What if my discriminant is less than 0? So we'll work it out with the lesser part now. I'm going to clear this. So in order to work out with the example when it is less than 0, follow the rules you will get and you will find it very easy when you solve the questions. And remember, for the less than word, what do we have to do? We have a different formula, not like log. It would be in terms of tan. So I'm taking a question now, dx x square negative 6x plus 3. Now let me calculate the d first. B square minus 4ac, my b is 6, negative 6, 4 times 1 and 3. So 36 minus, it is 13, we'll take 13. 13 4s are 52 upon this one is giving me negative 16. So basically my discriminant is less than 0. As I told you, whenever we have algebraic fractions, we are doing type 1. Either you have to check whether it is greater than or less than. Accordingly, the formula is different. For less than 0, please note down the formula is over here, 2 over root of negative t. Okay, to avoid the negative, because it would be a complex iota, tan inverse derivative of the function, the given quadratic expression, root negative t plus c, in case if your discriminant is less than 0. So we got already less than 0 now, just substitute here. No need to factorize, like in the earlier case, we factorize it for greater than 0. So here, no need. Root of negative 16, already you have negative here, which makes it positive. So basically 4, but we'll write that tan inverse. What is the derivative of the function? Function is this one, the given question. So that is 2x minus 6, derivative of that, and root of again positive 16 plus c. So 2 by 4 tan inverse upon taking 2 outside common, this is 4 plus c, cancel out. So your answer is going to be 1 by 2 tan inverse x minus 3 over 4 plus c. This is what you will have to do, student. Just remember these two techniques, greater than 0, less than 0. Apply the two separate formulas. Whenever the question comes, this is what we have. I hope you like the video. Please spread the knowledge. Enjoy, like, share, and subscribe.